Hey y'all, it's Stacy with SouthernBite.com, and I've got Jack in the kitchen with me today. He's back there running the camera as we try to figure out what we're gonna have for supper. You know, sometimes these days it's hard to find certain groceries. So we're gonna see what we can come up with for dinner just using what we have here in the kitchen today. Now, my friends at Tony Chachere's sent me this box of Creole roasted chicken flavored dinner mix. So we're gonna start with this and just see what we can come up with. Jack, you got any ideas?
What about a casserole?
You know, they don't call me the king of casseroles for nothing. A casserole's a great idea. What can we put in it?
What about leftover rotisserie chicken?
You know, we do have that chicken from the other night. I think that's a great start. Let's see what else we can come up with, and we're gonna make a casserole, folks. Let's see what we've got here. You know, here's some corn that has peppers and onions. That would be great flavor. And no casserole is complete without some cream of chicken soup. We're gonna start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Next, I'm gonna spray a 2-quart baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. We're gonna start with a large bowl, and we're gonna add our cream of chicken soup and 1.5 cups of hot water. We're gonna whisk this together until combined. To this, we're going to add our Tony Chachere's Creole roasted chicken flavored dinner mix, our corn with roasted peppers, our chicken, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and for extra flavor, 1 teaspoon of Tony Chachere's original Creole seasoning. Then we're gonna stir this together until everything's combined. We're gonna pour this into our prepared baking dish. Then we're gonna cover tightly with aluminum foil and bake for 45 to 55 minutes or until the rice is tender. Once it's finished and the rice is tender, carefully remove the foil and fluff the rice up with a fork. Then add 1.5 cups of shredded Colby Jack cheese to the top. Cover with the foil and allow it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes or until the cheese has melted.